everyone, this is Krishna from 5th grade. Today I am going to talk about a famous inventor who changed our lives easier to travel to one place to another. A German inventor named Karl Benz invented the first car in 1885. It had 3 wheels, a single cylinder, and it ran on fuel. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Bye.
Good morning, Stinson Stars, Stinson staff, and Stinson parents. This is Miss Leverton, and this is...
I eat chef. Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Yeah.
We are bringing you the
Sizzling Stinson News.
I am so excited today. I get to share with you one of the special talents that I have, a talent that no one knows about. I guess I have acquired this skill from all the different languages I sing, but I have a special gift. I can understand and translate other languages. It's like a magical gift. You don't believe me? Watch. I am going to do it right now. Chef, why don't you tell us where you are from?
I'm from Spokland. Spokland.
And you must really like it there. You are so far from your home. What brings you to Stinson today?
Oh, I'm going to make a big salad with lots of stuff. So I'm going to put the tomatoes in, some lettuce. I'm going to put in an avocado from Mexico. And I'm going to squeeze the orange. That's going in my salad. Oh, the shrimpy. Do you see the shrimpy? He's a cute little guy. He's going in the bowl. Bye-bye. And the bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? Bacon! Oh, and lettuce. Lettuce has some fun today. Woo! Oh, and we got the hot chili peppers. I don't mean the band. I mean the food. Oh, and the hot dog there. Oh, did you want to finish? I'm sorry. I'm just cooking. I love to cook.
Right now you're asking, what did she say? Here's what she said. With the art of music, we will be making a recipe. We will be ready to mix and mash it up to music. Details at the end of announcements.
Oh, yeah!
Moving on with our announcements. Chef, Eat Your Food, could you please tell us what the weather will be like today?
Oh, it's going to be very, very bright and sunny. Oh, I get so excited. Oh, yeah.
She says that it's going to be a wonderful, lovely day. It's sunny with a high of 80 degrees. And now it is time to say our Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand for the pledge. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may all sit down. The lunch menu for today is pizza if you're here at Stinson, and if you're at home, you know the drill. Eat something healthy and yummy, and be sure to say please and thank you. Good morning. It is time for our joke of the day. And today I have Miss Lucy Boyd from Mrs. Andrews' class. So Lucy, what is your joke?
So why didn't the chicken cross the road?
He didn't cross the road? I have no idea.
He was too chicken to do it.
Oh, good one.
Why did the kid throw his clock out the window?
I have no idea.
He wanted to see time fly.
That was good.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow who?
Move!
Nice one. All right.
Happy birthday to some special people today.
Hello everyone, Miss Leverton here, and I am here to welcome you back for our activity. Chef EatYourFood is going to be joining me momentarily, and before she joins us, I wanted to explain to you how our musical recipe is going to work today. So here is what we're going to do. We are going to stir the pot. And as we stir the pot, we're going to end up having to stir with the other hand. And then we're going to add some spices, and we're going to have to chop. And then chop with the other hand. And then after that, we're going to cut the onion. And you know what happens when you cut onions? It makes you want to cry. So you're going to have to cry. And then we're going to have to pour in some liquids and do that for a little bit. And then after we pour in our liquids, we'll have a taste test. It won't be just right, so we're going to have to add a little salt. And then we'll taste test again and add a little salt. Then we're going to pour the liquids. And at the very, very end, we're going to say it's A-OK and mwah. And let's begin.
Don't cry today. Be sure and cook up some kindness and fun. Bake today with a pinch of patience, a dash of kindness, a spoonful of laughter, and a heap of love.